Hello, good people. I am Sherry Shine, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. I am just getting back from Nigeria. It was a wonderful trip, and my main objective was to get some African fabric. So that's what I did. I have 22 6-yard pieces of authentic African fabric. So today I'm just going to make a set of components out of one of my fabrics. And it is this one, this beautiful piece of authentic African print fabric. This is what I'm going to be using today. So stay tuned, and if you're not a subscriber, I ask that you subscribe. We have over 800 DIY videos having to do with jewelry design and creation. And so there's lots to see. There's lots to check out. So, all right, let's get to it. Okay, the piece of fabric that I'm going to be using for this is one of my favorites. It is, they call it Super Gold. If you can see that little tag there, it says Super Gold Holland Wax. And one of the great things about authentic African print fabric is that you can really use it on either side. So I could use it on this gold side, or I could use it on this beautiful side. So it's whichever side you want to use. And then you can always look on the selvage edge, because it's going to say where it's from. Well, that is it's backwards, but you can see it's gold wax. And so I'm going to just cut a piece, a small piece. I have a piece of wood that I have painted. I painted the back of it. The back is painted gold. I cover it because I'm going to put it in my glow forge and laser it, and I don't want the smoke to get on the back of it. So I'm going to measure just a little piece to cut and then attach to this wood. I have lots of videos where I show how I attach the fabric to my either wood or leather is what I normally attach it to. So I use either Mod Podge or white glue. In this instance, I'm using white glue. I'm going to spread my white glue on my wood. This is a piece of birch plywood. And I'll spread it. You can use a brush. I use these little brushes, these little sponge brushes, but you can use any brush to brush the glue on. And then I'm just going to attach my fabric. Trying not to get it wrinkled. Okay. And to make sure that it's attached well, I use a credit card or something stiff to kind of make sure that the fabric is attached. So I will let this dry, and then I'm going to put it into my Glowforge and cut out some pieces, some component earring pieces, and those pieces are going to be for sale. If you have any questions, let me know. I always answer my questions. Also, if you like this video, like I said, I'd love for you to subscribe. I am on a journey to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm over halfway there. So I would love it if you would help me with that. My beautiful pieces are all cut out. All right, look at how these babies turned out. Are these not beautiful? I mean, very, very rich looking. That gold just gives them that pop, that glam that people just love. These will make some awesome earrings. I know once you put your own spin on them, they're not going to stay on your table for very long. What I would do with these is I would put some UV resin on them, some resin or UV resin, make these babies pop even more. I would take a gold pen and go around the edge of it. I've already painted it on the back for you, so you don't have very much to do to make these just gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. I used UV resin on this pair just to show you how it would look. I mean, this looks so rich. It is absolutely fabulous. All you have to do is put your findings on here and you are done. These are the fabric over wood, and there are 19 pair, different of various sizes. 15 pair are dangles, and they already have the holes on them, and then 4 pair are for studs. So it gives you a great variety. There is a link to my store in the description. These also come in acrylic over fabric. Same design, just it's really less work because you don't even have to do the UV resin on these, and they look nice. We plan to get back to our Tuesday lives this next Tuesday. I'm so sorry that we missed the 2, but we'll make up for it. These are just some of the fabric patterns that I have, and as time goes on, I will reveal all of my different patterns. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.